Hello everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and today we are visiting at Preeti Proximity project which is located in Jakkur, North Bangalore. Here we are giving you the view of connecting road. So this is the view of project. The project offers 2 BHK residential apartments. It's an under construction project and the construction work is going on in full swing. The project is approved by BBMP. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.